Elbows to the knee, abs to the spine. Good. Last one like this, and power. 8, 7, pull in. Burn that fat. 2 more. Last one. Jog it out. Great job. Same thing, other side. Step it out wide. Arms come up. Here we go. Then up, down. You're in control of your body. You're in control to change it. Come on. Fight for it right here. 3 more this pace. Last one like this. Now power. Good job. Breathe out on the hard part. Navel to the spine. 3 more. Last one. Now 8 slow again. Here we go. Up, down. Really twist your torso. Come on. You can do it. Pull in. Last one. Now power. You got it. Burn that fat. 3 more. Last one. Jog it. Good. Next exercise. Military squat with a twist. Step it out. Now your legs are just a little bit wider than your hips. Parallel legs here. Bend down and make sure that the knees do not pass the toe line. Bring your arms up. Pull in and lower. Down. Twist. Bend. Twist. Down. Twist. Good. Abs tight. This is boosting your metabolism. Burning the fat.
Minchia, scusi.
4 more sets. You're doing great.
You like this?
Come on, stay strong. 2 more sets. Last set. Down. Jog out. Great work. All right, next exercise. Military squat with a kick. You can do it. Step it out. Same setup. Head distance. Parallel legs. Arms up. Pull in. And here we go. Lower down and then kick up. Bend and kick.